My troublemakers are not letting me do my unboxing. So I'm trying to do an unboxing for Mystic Pups Moon and Stars June 2021 box. So I already opened it. They already spoiled all the surprises inside, but I will show you really quick what is inside the Mystic Pup box. So it is Minnie's birthday today. She's 3 years old. You got stuff on your face. So she is very excited about this toy. So this is the first thing I pulled out. It's pretty large. It's a big moon, and it has little stars inside that she can pull out. These are really cute. So she got that little cute toy. She got this rubber cow that she's kind of scared of. She got peanut butter and jelly time treats. And not knock everything down, Minnie. You're so insane. Stop. Okay, peanut butter and jelly treats. The moon. She got these sit training treats that are cheddar cheese recipe. We got this Moonlight Glow Beauty Oil. I'm going in your strawberry. We got this amazing smelling candle. Enchanted Wildcraft. The moon phases. And it smells like when you walk into a store, a witchy store. Oh, it smells just amazing. Herbs and perfume, and I don't know what the smell is, but it's yummy. Candle. Got a heat mask, which is always nice to have, especially for trips, and 2 stickers. One of the moon and a little yin yang sticker. And this is what the box looks like. Nice white box. Up. And that's all the stuff that came inside this box. Now I might have got a extra item because I gave them a good review on Cratejoy. I did get this off Cratejoy. It is about just under $48 with shipping, and it's bi-monthly. And Minnie's excited. It's her birthday, so these are all her birthday presents, except for the stuff for Mommy. So. And as I said, they give a percentage of each box is donated to various therapy and guide dogs associations. That's great. And here's a quick rundown of everything that's in the box, if you want to pause it and read more. So I'm very happy. Minnie and I will continue to get this box for as long as we can. It has fun stuff for doggies and doggy mommies, so very happy. And she's going to have fun playing with her toys all night. Yes, I will. Thank you for watching my unboxing. This didn't go as terribly disastrous as the last one.